Welcome to part 4 of Mama Fratelli's Jeep build. I invite all of you to join us on our Goonie adventure to restore and recreate a screen-accurate reproduction of Mama Fratelli's getaway ORV from the 1985 movie, The Goonies.
This is so exciting. So, on the Fratelli's Jeep, and I'll include a photo right here, you can see that there's no passenger side mirror on the Jeep. Every door that I have stumbled across has a passenger side mirror, so we need the delete kit. Look at this. This is the inside piece that goes where the mirror should be.
Mama's ORV was a base model. Adjustments of the mirrors were from the outside, not the inside. Models that didn't have an inside adjuster had a block-off plate. All Jeep XJs were manufactured with a mirror on each door. Mama's was removed so that it wouldn't obstruct the camera angle.
It's perfectly black, and I don't know why, but they also gave me this one too. It's actually, this one right here is the one I thought I was getting, and the tabs in the back are broken. I'm like, I can make this work. I can paint it. I can make it work. But for whatever reason, they sent this one also. It was not a part of the eBay listing, and they sent the gasket. I didn't realize there was a gasket. So that's amazing. That is so awesome. This is something that we got yesterday. These are the two original wheels that we had, right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my gosh. We have all four, and this is how they should look. This kind of finish on it. Obviously not this, but this one needs to be restored. This one here needs to be slightly restored too. Some of the clear coat is coming off of it. But these have never been mounted, so they say. Although it looks like they had been installed at one time, but that's okay. I mean, that's like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Now we just have to find a tire that they no longer produce anymore. We now have one full complete set of the brand Western wheel, the model bullets. These are screen accurate for the Jeep, along with the covers that we had Western wheel printed on. That's pretty close. Nobody, unless you know, nobody's going to know the difference, that the graphic is not exactly the same. In fact, if I hadn't said anything, you guys probably would have forgotten it by now. But oh my gosh, so excited. We have them. They just need some TLC. These still need some refinishing. These need to be like fully restored. But we have them, and acquiring these, it was the absolute first step. And we have them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. Thanks to Chris for locating these for us. That was amazing. These I found on eBay. They had several different sizes on eBay, but they did not have any 15x7s in the 4 or the 5 on 4.5 bolt patterns that we needed. These fit, they work. We just need some rubber for them. Oh, and a new back hatch is on its way too. I didn't mention that, did I?
We marked the location of the new floor pan. We're replacing the whole thing because besides the large rusty areas, the pan is compromised in several places.
So I've cut the line here. There is a frame member of the unibody that goes through right here. So I'm being very careful not to cut this part. I'm being careful to make sure that I'm also not cutting anything else on the other side. But we're going to basically take this line up here, take it across here. The sheet metal right here actually kind of overlaps this piece here. So I'm going to try and mimic this and pull off just the sheet metal here. It is also spot welded, going down the frame right here and over here. So in order to release these, I'm basically going to take the die grinder and grind away all the metal around the spot weld, so that hopefully it'll just lift up. So here we go, floor pan removal. Never done this before. So I've got the cuts done all the way around, and I'm just seeing what the easiest way is going to be to release it from the spot welds in the center. Taking the die grinder and like grinding around each spot weld to release it, that's a lot of work. So I was actually hoping that I could get in here and like flex it back and forth and break it from the welds, but I don't think that's going to be happening. But yeah, here we go. If you guys ever want to get to like the bell housing bolts of the transmission, or like the exhaust or something like that, yeah, it's right there. Just cut a hole in your floorboard. Makes things a lot easier. There we go. Still have this piece right here to get out, but it's also riveted to this other side. So I'm going to wait on this one right now. I'm going to bend this kind of back into position a little bit, and then I want to take the new floor pan and put it down here so no little kitties come in and try to make this their home.
Citrusy cleaner stuff.
Ooh, citrusy cleaner stuff.
It smells like orange peels, huh?
Smells good.
So if you stick that there, they won't come in.
Really?
They don't like it.
Cats don't like orange. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woohoo, cat repellent 101.
We appreciate every subscriber, your comments, likes, and shares. If you'd like to join our Goonie adventure and help us get this project completed for the 40th anniversary in 2025 for our Goonies Day appearance in Astoria, Oregon, you can join Josh Bryant and become a Patreon with lots of great perks. Thank you guys so very much.
So this is a piece that we took out last time. We kind of split the floor pan down the center. This is the unibody, the frame. So we split it down the center. It's got a bunch of spot welds all through it that have to be ripped up and disconnected. So now that this panel over here is also out, I just got through getting this one out. Now we have to go, like I've done here, and take all these weld points and make them flat so that this right here is one flat piece. And then we start preparing for the pan replacement. It's exciting. That pan will go right here. That night sky tells us it is time to stop for the evening. Not too much has changed. I have gone down and gotten all these flat right through here. These are all nice and smooth up until this point here. I've got this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, 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 this one. This is done. Well, almost. This is done, and then yeah, there we go. And then have to use a deburring tool just because I want to around all the sheet metal here to take the burr off of it where I can. And then yeah, then we'll start to set the pan. This pan itself may need to be trimmed in some areas because I didn't come all the way up the side over here. This is actually double walled right here, so I'm not too worried about it, and there's no rust in these pillars, so we should be good. Do that, a little bit of body filler, and yeah, call it good.
Your destination is on the left.
They've got the hatch here, and I'm going to go and grab it here in a second. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Another customer there was talking about a rear or a front bumper, and the guy gave a reference to a company that you basically submit what you want and they build it for you. And that's probably going to be the only way I'm going to be able to get a bumper for Ann. So that's awesome. I had no idea those places existed. I was going to go to a metal fabricator. Oh man, it was damaged in shipment. So sad. Yep. And it's stupid too. It's just this little bitty piece right there. Oh my gosh, this is so disappointing. I mean, time isn't really the big indicating factor here, but just waiting for this piece, the brand new piece, and then having like just a little piece of it broken like that. That's why I'm getting this. I don't want the body shop to have to redo anything on it. And you're paying for a new piece. You expect a new piece that's not broken. This morning, we're headed somewhere. I'll give you guys a clue. Here's your clue. So this is very exciting. They are going to be able to do them. So here they are. You guys haven't seen all four of them. Well, maybe you have all four of them before, but there we go. So we've got a little bit of powder coat stuff on here that they're going to do. Then over here, they're going to completely refinish them. So I don't know about the turnaround time. I'm really excited though. I'm feeling so much better about this right now. I have a receipt. He has given me a clear plan on everything that's going to happen to them. And yeah. Woo! I told him that there's no rush because we don't have any tires for him anyway. So I told him there's no rush. We've got about possibly a month. Or at least 3 weeks, something like that. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited right now. Bye, wheels. Next time we see them, and I've said this before, but I really feel it now. The next time we see them, they will be brand new looking almost.
Things are definitely moving along. We haven't gotten as far as to show you guys everything that's going on right now with the roof, with the fenders, with the doors, with the wheels. So hopefully, I think it's the next video, it will show you guys how those wheels turned out. I'm really excited about that. I'm excited that we have talked to some of the drivers from the actual movie. These drivers are a part of the transportation department. They do everything transportation related for the filming of the Goonies. We've talked with some of them to try and locate the original Jeep or Jeeps. We have found out so much information. We'll be sharing it with you guys soon. Recently, my wife and I went down to Astoria and we filmed some of the original chase scene locations. And we got to tour the Goonies house, Mikey's house. So all of this is really exciting. All of it's going to be coming up soon. If you guys want to take a look to see the progress of the Jeep in real time, please check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook accounts. All of them are at Mama Fratelli's Jeep. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.